I wonder where that annoying book even came from.
He said Rose bought it.
He doesn't sound like a book she would buy.
More like a pretentious self-help book you'd buy.
You know, self-help books are very important to some people, okay?
Forget about the book. Let's get to Rome.
No!
That wasn't too bad.
May, jump inside the hose.
Oh, try not to drop me.
That was kind of fun, actually. After you.
Not bad. Don't let go. Shoot! So close!
Damn! Too slow! looks dangerous.
Just time your jumps. All right, start spinning.
We made it over.
Yeah. Yeah, let's keep moving. We're getting closer to the top. Look at all this junk. That was a little too much.
I feel it. there, vacuum! Ah, I think we can use some of this dust and other stuff.
Talk about dead weight!
You destroyed my digestion! And you put me away to rot in here! Now you will both die!
No, wait! I can still fix you. I can make you work again.
No more lies!
No! She's right! She's an engineer! A really good one! You are, you're very good. Ha! Hey, vacuum! Are you really gonna believe that, huh? Because I would not!
Don't listen to him. Once I get my real body back, I can fix you.
Oh, is that so? Then why did you buy the expensive Turbo X2000, huh?
Hey!
What? You've replaced me with the Turbo X2000! A pretentious French vacuum who can't even suck properly! I'll show you who's the best sucker!
Oh, okay, I'm out of here. See you later. Good luck. Come on.
Take a burning crack!
This vacuum is insane!
Oh, I wasn't made for this!
How do you like that?
I'm in
Bag?
control out
Ow!
here! I've broken it into place! Just like you should stay broken! Suck on this!
How many of these does he have? Hey, I wasn't ready.
No, stop! That burns!
Keep it going!
I'll blow you to bits!
That doesn't sound good.
I don't see your fire blanket! No one replaces me! Have some of your junk back!
Raining garbage.
Oh my! What's in there?
I don't want this junk in here!
Don't waste them! Wait for me, Cody!
You're not so scary, small! I have more than dust for you! Stop that! I'm a no, but I still have some tricks!
They're gonna blow!
I am the strongest vacuum! I don't see your fire blanket! Feel my suction power!
He stopped!
Yeah, time to
You're
finish this.
pointing us the wrong way! Where's
Whoa,
stop?
May! Do you think this is too much?
Kind of, but he tried to kill us.
Good boy! Sorry, Vacuum! Hey, help!
Hang
Damn Vacuum! Come on! We have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows what's happened to us.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah,
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her. Where are we?
You should know. You use this place.
I haven't been in here for ages. Plus, everything looks different.
It's like some twisted version of reality. Hey, over here. Look, it's Rose! Rose! Honey! Rose! She can't hear us.
Oh no.
How are we gonna get over there now?
I can help.
What?
What was that?
Who was it?
I don't know.
Over here.
Look!
I know the way.
Come on.
I'll take you there if you help me save my friends.
What friends?
My tool friends. We used to be important and taken care of, but that human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
You mean May's toolbox?
Yes, yes! That heartless woman. Do you know her?
Well,
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for her hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust? It's like burning alive, slowly.
But look, Hammer, there's some rust remover spray in that tool cabinet. We can help save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose over there.
Okay, it's a deal. Pick me up.
Okay?
Now go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go?
Just whistle.
What? Really? Oh!
Wow.
Cool. We got a flying nail and a talking hammer. Let's go. Hey, look at this. All right. Whew.
Be careful with that nail, Cody. I don't want it in my eye.
Okay, well, don't drop that hammer on